Welcome to this short little video on how to prepare for classes inside of my women's Facebook community, Inner Lights Academy. So, one of the things I notice a lot about women who work from home or travel or they're on the go is they're just not prepared and organized. Now, some people can do things on the fly. However, what I have found in the past when I'm working with other people is to make sure that you've set the date and time in your calendars, B, that you've actually cleared the energetic space in your head, meaning you've put aside whether it's an hour, 90 minutes, even a half an hour to do what it is that you need to do in your business in order to move the needle forward. And I get it. We are crazy. We have kids. We have other people in our life. However, one of my superpowers is always about that consistency and also scheduling time off. And one of the key little secrets that I share in another masterclass in how to create your abundant lifestyle is talking about preparing our schedule for the week ahead and being consistent and always having room for something that we need to add in suddenly or adjust. In this little video, I'm just going to share with you what it is that I always have in front of me when I'm ready to start working on my business. And there's just some simple things, which are really the four elements that are also in astrology: water, air, earth, and fire. So the first one is always having fresh, clean water. Why? Because most people are dehydrated, running on caffeine all day long. They may have had alcohol late the night before after 7 p.m. So their liver is already sluggish when they wake up. And so it's this vicious cycle. Now, I still drink coffee. However, I have learned to limit myself to 2 coffees first thing in the morning. And then I switch to herbal teas, because that's considered a water, fresh water also with maybe some high-grade essential oils in them to add the extra flavor and to get the benefits of the essential oils for mental focus. So keep drinking water. And in my masterclass, we're going to be talking about how to figure out how much water you actually need in your daily diet, especially if you are using caffeine and alcohol still in your diet. The second concept is the air element, right? So having a piece of paper, having a blue pen to use to write down in your notes or even in your personal journals. And the reason why is because even though we're still typing online and making notes online, there is still this connection between the brain and the hand. And when we are using the two together, it tends to open up our creativity in our brain so that we can be more focused and to receive new ideas. And so you got to have a piece of paper or something nearby to jot down these intuitive downloads that are going to start coming through, especially if you're amping up your water, because water is also connected to our intuition. You'll learn that in another course as well. Thirdly is have your healthy snacks nearby. These are my homemade little cookies, things I eat late in the afternoon after I know I've had a healthy meal. And I also have my essential oils handy and nearby. And this is even a little travel case that I can put in my purse, and I'm allowed to bring this on a plane. And I have very specific essential oils that help me focus. And this one is called In Tune. I don't know if I can turn it the right way. I'm dropping it. In Tune by doTERRA. Okay, it's a combination of essential oils with specific essential oils that help to focus the brain and our mental clarity. This is amazing. Some women I know love this, and they even claim it even helps to release headaches as well. I'm not someone who gets a lot of headaches, but this is an amazing blend. So you'll learn more about essential oils in another free masterclass inside the group called Essential Oils Are Not just smelly things. So stay tuned for that. Another essential oil that I love to use is even adaptive. So this is perfect if you're super stressed and you just need to calm down. So you can, again, apply this at the back, the nape of your neck, at the very back where your skull bone, right, meets the spine. That's an important place to put them, or you can put them behind your ears or even here or inside your arms or whatever. But if I need the focus, I want these essential oils on my head. If you live a very stressful life, this is also a perfect blend to use in the evening as you're trying to wind down and fall asleep later on. So that is our earth element, right? Using gifts from the earth. And lastly is the fire element, which is really just about being proactive, turning your phone off, making sure you're not getting in messages, turn it off if you need to, go put it in another room, set a timer if you need to. I set a timer sometimes on my phone or on my clock on my stove, and it's just literally an hour for me. And then I feel super productive. One of the little things I do sometimes either in the morning or the evening is I write in my own personal journal that I'm really proud of myself for. All right. No one's going to do that for you. Most of the time, you have to do it for yourself when you are an entrepreneur because you don't have a boss looking over you and someone saying, hey, job well done. You know, here's your paycheck or whatever. Your paycheck is when you get those clients and when you've actually put in the work to really work on your business. I hope you have found this little video helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, post it below. And of course, I look forward to seeing you inside of my Inner Lights Academy at any of my master classes, retreats, events, whatever it is that I'm offering, because I just love to pass down my knowledge to all of you amazing entrepreneurial women. So I'll see you somewhere on the inside. Cheers for now. Bye-bye.